Buddha's hand is a type of citrus fruit that is believed to have originated in China. It is also known as the fingered citron or the citron Buddha's hand. The fruit is yellow, oblong, and has finger-like protrusions that resemble a human hand. Buddha's hand is often used for its fragrant rind, which is high in essential oils and can be grated or used in recipes for flavoring. It is also used in traditional Chinese medicine for its believed health benefits. In some cultures, Buddha's hand is considered a symbol of good luck and is often used as a decorative item during certain festivals or ceremonies. It is also sometimes used in religious offerings or as an ingredient in incense. Overall, Buddha's hand is an interesting and unique fruit with a long history of cultural and medicinal significance. Welcome to Discover Agriculture, your go-to source for fascinating insights into the world of farming. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. 1. Climate. Buddha's hand grows best in warm, humid climates. It is not frost-tolerant and will not survive in very cold temperatures. 2. Soil. Buddha's hand prefers well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. A slightly acidic soil with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5 is ideal. 3. Watering. Buddha's hand requires regular watering, but it does not like to be waterlogged. Make sure the soil is moist but not too wet. 4. Fertilization. Buddha's hand can benefit from regular fertilization. Use a citrus-specific fertilizer with a balanced NPK ratio. 5. Pruning. Prune Buddha's hand to shape it and promote healthy growth. Remove any dead or diseased branches. 6. Propagation. If you have access to a mature Buddha's hand tree, you can propagate it by taking cuttings in the spring or summer. The cuttings should be about 8 to 10 inches long and have at least 2 nodes. Dip the cuttings in rooting hormone and plant them in a pot with well-draining soil. It is important to note that Buddha's hand can be a challenging fruit to grow and may require some patience and persistence. However, with the right conditions and care, it can be a rewarding addition to a home garden. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of agriculture.